In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new album in Google Photos on iPhone. Before we start, make sure you have the Google Photos app installed on your iPhone and that you're signed in. This walkthrough is all about organizing your photos into a dedicated album so you can find, view, and share memories more easily later on. Go ahead and open the Google Photos app. You'll land on your photo library, showing your most recent images. To focus on your saved collections, look at the bottom of the screen and tap Collections. This takes you to a place where Google Photos keeps albums and other grouped items, so everything stays tidy. At the top of this screen, tap the plus icon. This opens the Create New menu, which is where you choose what kind of collection you want to build. From the options, tap Album. An album is a simple, customizable group of photos that you choose yourself, perfect for vacations, events, or ongoing projects. At the top, tap Add Title and type the name of your album. Pick something descriptive so you'll recognize it later. Don't stress about getting it perfect right now. You can always change the title in the future if you need to. Next, tap Select Photos. You'll see your image library laid out in a grid. Scroll through and tap each photo you want to include. When a photo is selected, you'll see a small check mark. If you tap a photo by mistake, just tap it again to deselect it. Take your time here and choose as many images as you like. You can mix photos and videos in the same album, and you're not locked in. You can always add more later. When you're happy with your selection, tap Add at the top right. Google Photos will create your new album and place those selected items inside. You'll be taken into the album view, where you can see everything you just added grouped together under the title you chose. To wrap up, tap Done. That's it, your album is saved and ready to go. From now on, you'll be able to find it easily from the Collections tab. Creating albums like this is a great habit for keeping your library organized, making it faster to revisit highlights without scrolling endlessly. If you ever change your mind about the name or the contents, you can adjust those details later without starting over. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your newly organized Google Photos library on iPhone.